Ooh, we got one viewer in the chat. Oh, what's up, Sore Dude? How's it going, man? Ooh, yeah, let me give you permission. How do I do this again? What's up, Sore? Yo, can you hear me, Sore? Ooh, and we got Mellow, dude.
There we go.
Yeah, what's up? What's up, buddy?
The puppy.
Yo, have you played any of the new season 3?
It didn't came out yet, I believe.
Oh, it isn't out yet?
I said I believe so. I don't really know.
Yeah, they're doing like events, I think, over the next 4 days. We're gonna try and maybe do one maybe tomorrow.
I did one.
Oh, you did?
So
what happened?
Yeah. Yeah, it was a nuke.
It was a nuke? Oh man, dude.
Yeah.
They're doing the nukes already.
And then Rebirth is dark already. Rebirth is dark.
Oh.
Pitch black, man.
Oh wow.
So the rose skins had an advantage here now. I'm pissed.
I thought they were changing the rose skins to be like super bright or something to mess with it.
I don't know. You can still see them though.
You can? Yeah.
Oh, I can.
Oh, if you're good enough, you can see anything, I guess, right? Yeah.
Yeah. I got one Warzone to win, and I was in the dark.
Yeah? Like a full Warzone in the dark?
I mean, not Warzone. I mean Rebirth. My bad.
Oh, Rebirth. Oh, nice.
Yeah. There's no battle royale now. It's just Rebirth and Rebirth Kingslayer. That's all right now.
That's all. They've taken all of Warzone away.
And then Rebirth mini royale duels. That's all.
Oh,
probably
okay.
because of the update, though. Not gonna be honest.
Yeah, they gotta. I don't know. I wonder when that download will start. It's supposed to be huge, I guess, if they're introducing a whole new map, right?
I mean, like, I have a download right now. It's like 22 gigs.
22 gigs? Oh, God.
I'm like 6 gigs in so far.
R.I.P. my hard drive, dude. Activision, if you're listening, stop making these updates.
Yours. I'm on console, man.
Oh, yeah,
you got
dude.
more space than me, probably.
Yeah. That's true. Yeah, you can't. It's harder for you to expand yours, isn't it?
Yeah. I don't even have TB. I got GD.
Yeah.
Oh, Melo's here. Let me.
Yeah. I let him in. What's up, Mellow, dude?
What's good? I'm not home right now. Just letting you guys know.
You're at home?
No, I'm at Juarez.
You're at Juarez. Okay. All right. All good, bro. Let's see. You got homework due soon, don't you?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Hold on.
I gotta actually on mute.
Mello, you able to like write stuff down? If I do stuff, or I guess you can watch the stream later or something, right?
Hold up.
Sheesh. Did you see Sheesh coin is now like a thing, dude? On the Bitcoin stuff, dude. They came up with a coin. It's Sheesh coin.
How much they going for?
I don't know. It's dumb. It's going. It's the hype is building, dude.
How many people's buying it?
Yeah, that people are, dude.
Well, I got an update for 3 hours.
Boy, I'm watching.
Damn.
All right, cool. You can see Mel? Actually, here, let me so that there's no latency. Is there a way to stream in the
No, you have to go.
I got to go into general, dude. That's such a pain in the ass.
Yeah.
Dude. Fuck.
Going in general, man.
You're on your phone, right? You're on your phone, Mello?
Yeah, I'm on.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, let's go to wait, let me just make a new let's just go to general. Let's hop over to general and then I'll screen share there. There we go.
Yeah.
Okay, much better. All right, there we go. Let's go live, dude. Yeah. Cool.
I gotta watch.
All right, can you see the screen, Mel?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Nice. Yo, what up, Michael? Welcome to the chat, dude. All right.
Yo, Sura, how's the Warzone event?
Yeah.
What?
I was talking to Dave. I think we'll do those tomorrow.
Hey, man, what the heck? He keep saying Sora. What the heck?
He what?
Freaking Mellows keep saying Sora. Just sword.
Change your damn name then.
I don't feel like it.
Well, don't complain.
Don't complain. Oh my god. One sec. Why is this?
Freaking, where does Sora come from to sword? Makes
I
no
don't know.
sense.
Oh, does it really come from Attack on Titan? Is that why you picked your name?
Who?
You, Sor. Is your name come from Attack on Titan?
I don't know. I just can't from my head.
All right, let's see. I need my webcam to work. One sec. You know what? Fuck it. I don't care. Either wants to work today or doesn't.
May leave in a little.
Okay.
Yeah, all good, all good. Here, let me get your homework in real quick. Where do we put it? Put it probably in common area. All right, here we go. Let's go back over reviewing trinomials, Mello, because you got to do this.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's like, yeah. Okay. Let me make this a lot bigger. All right, so the question on your homework, Mello, they ask you, they're like, yo, can you factor this? What do you remember from how we factor something like this?
Damn, I don't remember.
You don't remember, dude. Yeah, this is why, yeah, you always gotta be learning, dude.
You have to refresh my mind a little.
All right, let me refresh your mind, dude. Okay. Whenever we have a trinomial, this is a trinomial, x squared minus 16x plus 48. The reason why this is called a trinomial, what does the word try mean besides try hard?
It's 3 numbers.
Good. 3 numbers. Yeah. See how this thing has three different numbers? It's got an x squared, it's got a 16x, and it's got a 48, okay? Cool.
Mm-hmm.
So once you have in this form where you got like the x squared here, the x here, and the thing without the x over here, what you end up doing is you look at this thing and you see what numbers multiply to this number but add up to this number. So we need things to multiply to 48 but add to minus 16. So what are some things you know that multiply to 48?
6 times 8.
6 times 8, cool. But 6 times 8 adds up to what?
14.
14, right? So that's not the minus 16 we need, okay? So 6 and 8, nah, it doesn't work, right? Because that's 14. And even further, we need something to be negative. So in order for two things to add up and be negative, do they have to be positive or negative?
Positive.
No. Let's think. Negative, right? So let's say, for instance, we did minus 6 and minus 8. What do those two things multiply to? Minus 6 times minus 8.
Times?
Yeah. What's negative 6 times negative 8?
Positive 48.
Perfect, dude. Yeah. See? So, but what do they add up to? What does negative 6 plus negative 8 add up to?
Plus 14?
Negative 14.
Oh, negative 14.
Think about it. So if you got negative 6 plus negative 8, this is always kind of a trick they teach you, is that anytime you have a plus and a minus, we can just make that a minus sign. Okay? So this is like minus 6 minus 8. Negative 6 minus 8. So if you have a negative number and you're subtracting even more, that's going to make it even more negative. So that's why this is negative 14. I know it's a lot of math shit you got to remember, but it's hopefully you do it enough times and you don't got to think about it as much.
Should I be here?
Yeah, dude. Sorry, yeah, you can be here, dude. Sorry, you can learn some math, dude. Do you know how to add and subtract negative numbers, Sorry?
Yeah, kind of.
Kind of. Okay. Well, here maybe you can help out Mel here too as well, dude. Come up with two numbers that multiply to 48. What two numbers when you multiply them together are 48?
12 and 4.
4 times 4?
No, 12 times 4.
Oh, good. Yeah. Okay, nice. Wow, dude. Yo, Sor, dude. Sor, what grade are you in again, dude?
7th.
7th? Okay.
Damn, my boy's beating me on multiplication.
I was learning multiplication since like the 5th grade. We went up to like
no one's
6
beating.
tables.
You just remember stuff more, Oh, what's up, Mango, dude? Mango's in too.
I'm
Nice.
slow. I'm super slow.
Dude, it's okay. It's okay to be it's okay to be fast. It's okay to be slow. The only thing that matters is do you have enough perseverance to eventually get it? Because most people just fucking quit, and like even the people who are fast, dude, get bored and they're like, I quit. I don't want to do it anymore. So, perseverance. That's the number one thing. But okay. So sorry, you good. 12 times 4 is 48. What do those two numbers add up to?
12 times 4 is 4. Oh, wait, check it to me on Mellow.
Both of you guys, whoever says it first. Yeah. What is 12?
-6.
Good. So if they're both negative, they would add up to -16. So Sor, have you done much with adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers?
Yeah.
So what's for instance -5 minus 3? What is that?
-2.
No. That would be -5 plus 3.
5 plus. Oh.
That would be
yes,
-2.
-8.
-8.
Yeah, there you go.
It's 8 because you have minus. Good. Yes, you have -5, and you're going back 3 more. Sometimes they teach you guys how to do this on like a number line, right? This is -5, -6, -7, -8. This is -4, -3.
I thought you were adding.
Oh yeah, no. This means subtract, right? Yeah, good.
Yeah.
All right, so
Starving. Oh my god.
Sor and Mello ended up getting the right answer together because Sor got the 12 and the 4, and then Mello figured out, oh, it needs to add to -16. So these are your factors because -12 and -4 both multiply to become positive 48, and yet when you add them together, -12 minus 4, you get -16, which is what you need here. So Mello, what's the final answer then? If I want to write my factors, what's it going to be?
Okay. -12.
Good. Is it -12? And what else?
-4.
Good. And then where do I put the x's?
Right there.
Good. X. There you go, dude. That's how you factor it.
Yeah. Alright.
Yeah. Cool.
Down. No. Right there.
You got it?
Yo.
Okay. Let's see another question you guys had. Because you have to do all these, right? The 12 through 16 or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay, here. We're gonna do the next one here. Okay, so now we got 24 plus 10x plus x squared. Okay. So right off the bat, right? This one doesn't look like what we're used to. We're used to seeing stuff that looks like something x squared plus something x plus something. So what's the first thing we got to do?
Move the x2 to the other side.
Good, yeah. Let's move this over here. Let's move this leg over here, and then let's move this over here. We're going to rewrite this so it looks like x squared plus 10x plus 24. Okay?
It's times 6.
Good.
Yeah, it's 4 times 6 equals to 24. And when I add 6 plus 4 equals
Good.
to 10.
10. Again, yeah, good. You got it right off the bat. Very good job, dude. Very good job. Give you a little check mark. So what's the final answer going to be?
X. Oh my god, okay. X plus 4
Good.
and X plus 6.
Good. Very good. Very good. There you go. Nice. Can you guys hear those sound effects?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
I set up my soundboard. And it's just like I'm having too much fun with it. Like, what does it do? Anything? What is it? There we go.
Oh, that's so loud.
All right, I'll turn it down. It shouldn't be so loud.
Man, you could like play some Modern Warfare intro.
Yeah, wouldn't that be fun?
Wow.
Yeah, I need to get the soundboard set up on my gaming PC. That'd be funny.
That's gonna be hilarious.
All right, let's see. 13. Here's 13, and then we're gonna go into the harder stuff that I don't think I've taught you yet. Okay.
My super finding oranges.
Well, okay. So here, Sor. What we're doing is we're trying to turn something that looks like this into a pair of things that multiply by each other. And there's a trick to it
Okay.
where what we do is we try to see what multiplies to this number on the right and what adds up to this number in the middle. So let me make this better. So here, Sora, you can answer this. So what two numbers multiply to -14 but add up to -5?
So 7 times 2 is 14.
Good. But what do those add up to?
Then we got to subtract it to make it 5.
Yeah. But we need them to add to 5. So
Add the 7. Maybe.
oh, actually, yeah.
From
So
7.
so you need it to multiply to -14. So sorry. First thing. So 7 times 2 is +14, right?
Yeah.
How do I make 7 times 2 equal -14? What do I need to do to one of the numbers?
Make it negative.
Good. Okay.
-28.
No, not -20. So what I was saying is that so either the 7 needs to be positive or negative, or the 2 needs to be positive or negative. But I need these to add up to -5. So
-5.
so your
That's weird.
so your choices are either 2, -2, or -7 and 7. So which pair here adds up to -5?
2 plus -7.
Good, this one, right? Yeah. So that's why your factors are 2 and -7. So Sora, 2 and -7 multiplies to -14, right?
Uh-huh.
And then the other requirement we need to find, which is what Mello found, is that I need them to add up to -5, which 2 plus -7. What's 2 plus -7, Sora?
2 plus -7.
Yeah.
Isn't that 5?
-5. Because let's look at the number line here, Sora, real quick, right? So if this is 0, 1, 2, right? -1, -2, blah, 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 right? If I'm at 2 and I go -7, right? That means I go to the left 7, which means I'm going to start getting into negative numbers. That's why it's -5. +5 would be like way out here, right? The only way to get from 2 to 5 would be to add 3.
Not sure if I'm understanding this, but okay.
Okay, no. So real quick, Sora. Do you know how do you visualize adding and subtracting numbers?
Subtract, like, if you're adding, it's like +2 apples, like apples and I don't.
Okay. So then let's say screw the number line then. Like, that's not a way that you learn it. Okay. So let's say you have 2 apples, right? And you take away 7. How many apples do you have left now?
Yeah, 5.
Well, no, you had 2, and
-5.
-5, right? Yeah, you can't have 5 apples when you started with 2 and you took 7 away, right?
Yeah.
Good. All right, Mel. So now you got your factors. What's the final answer going to be?
X plus 2.
Good.
X minus 7.
Very good. Yeah, Michael, you getting a review here of who's our algebra teacher, man? Fuck. Ms. Melson. Miss Melson. Michael's like, check the answers in the back of the book. No, don't do that. You don't learn anything. Okay, what other numbers? Did we do all of them yet, Mello? Or are any of these you haven't done yet?
I think we've done all of them, actually.
Okay, all right. So then let's go to the next lesson, which is your what is it? It's 27-2, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a little bit harder. It's not super tough, but so what do you notice is different from this type of question compared to ones where we had like x squared plus 5x plus? There's what?
4 numbers.
Nah, there's still only 3 numbers.
3.
Yeah,
that's true.
But what's different about this x squared compared to this x squared?
That you're adding a number. To
Yeah,
it.
good. You see how there's another number on it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this trick that we did where, Soar, you were able to guess, right, what numbers multiply to this and what numbers add to this. You're only allowed to do that if there's a 1 in front of this. And having x squared is the same thing as saying 1x squared. Okay, but there's a different strategy. If we have a number in front of this x squared. Okay, Mello? I'm gonna show you.
Okay.
I'm gonna show you what it is. So here we have 3x squared plus 8x minus 11. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this number right here, and you're gonna multiply it by this number, the back one.
33. Negative 33.
3. So it's good. It's 3 times negative 11. So this is equal to negative 33, right?
Mm-hmm. And you created another equation without the 3 and 11.
Is that how they teach you to do it? No. So
no, but I'm remembering kind of it.
Okay,
'cause
okay.
I did this grade 2.
So here I'm going to show you the strategy that I use because there are a couple ways they do it, but I find this one to be the easiest. Okay, so we're still looking for what multiplies to negative 33, but we want it to add also to positive 8. So we're going to say what multiplies to negative 33 but adds up to 8. Okay? So, Soar, what are two numbers that multiply to negative 33?
11 and 3.
11 and 3. Good, yeah. But I want it to be negative 33. So what do I need to do to one of those numbers?
Make them negative.
You need to make one of them negative, okay? So, Mello,
Yeah.
so I have 3. I have 3 and 11. Which one do I want to make negative if I need it to add up to 8?
3.
Good. You make the 3 negative, okay? So, now what we have, so we're going to create a little table here, okay? I'm going to put this one right here, okay? So this is, I'm going to say 3x squared. And then these ones, the factors I got, actually, let's not use yellow. Yellow's fucking difficult to look at. It's purple.
Hey, G, I got a question, G.
What's up, dude?
When are you hosting classes now?
I'm hosting classes Wednesday, 3 to 4 p.m. PST, and then Friday, 4 to 5. I think I put it on the Twitch schedule. But yeah, we're gonna do this twice a week so you guys can get more points because I know the battle pass is right about to come out.
Okay.
I have enough COD points.
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can always use COD points on more things. Maybe you want a cool skin or something. Like
You
you
rather
know,
win a free
I
one and then you
just
gotta
did
buy
that.
one yourself.
yeah.
Man, I wanted the 420 pack.
Yeah, dude, that's the one
420
Al
pack.
Prince dude. That pack is dope, dude. I love that 420
Yeah,
pack. It's hilarious, dude.
Oh, I forgot. Someone joined.
Alright, let's get
I
back.
will join.
All right. Yeah, Al's watching. Okay,
Oh.
so we're gonna put these purple numbers here on the diagonals. So I'm gonna say minus 3x and minus 11x. Okay.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna put the final let's put this one. The red one here. I'm gonna put minus 11. Okay.
Mhm.
So now your goal is to figure out what number what number goes into both of these things, okay? So what goes into minus 11x but also goes into minus 11?
You got me straight up confused.
I know, yeah. This is the hardest part, honestly, is what it is. Okay. So okay. Have you ever factored things before, Mello? Like just single things? Like say we have something easy like this. How could I factor this?
I don't remember. I'm
So
trying to
this would be 3 times x minus 1. Because do you see how 3 times x and then 3 times minus 1 gets you the 3x minus 3?
Mm-hmm.
So you're pulling out something that goes into both of these things. So in this case, I pulled out a 3 because 3 goes into 3x and 3 also goes into minus 3. And it does so because 3 times x gets me 3x and 3 times negative 1 gets me negative 3. Yeah. You have to remember, like, this is why math always just builds on itself, Mello. It's just like you can't.
This is why I hate when like they teach us everything in like one grade and then we forget the second.
I know. You just got to keep using it, honestly, and
Yeah.
So, okay, so let's think here. So, how could I factor negative 11x minus 11?
So it's 11
Okay.
x minus 1.
So it's 11 times minus x minus 1. See, because I need 11 times yeah. So here
yeah.
So let's write it in 11 here, okay? All right, the next thing to do is to be like, okay, so what goes into both of these things? Like if I wanted to factor 3x squared minus 3x, how could I factor that?
Negative 3.
Negative 3?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, so this is a tougher one. So actually, here, let's do an easier thing. You don't have to factor the second one. Now you have to do is just pick things like what times this gets you negative 11x.
11.
So no. What times 11 gets you negative 11x?
Negative 1.
Negative 1 will get you negative 11. How do I get negative 11x?
Negative x.
Good. Negative x. See? Because negative x times 11 gets you negative 11x, okay? All right, 11 times what gets you negative 11?
Negative 1.
Good, negative 1, okay? All right, now we're going to... So, and I'll show you. This is... We're finding the factors is what we're doing. So, now we're going to say, okay, what times negative 1 gets me negative 3x?
Say it again.
So, what times negative 1 gets me negative 3x?
3.
No, 3x. Good. And so now technically you're done. And you can check this last one here, okay? 3x times negative x, what does that equal?
3x 2? Because of the 2 x's.
Oh, actually, ooh, shit, we fucked up here. Sorry. This is supposed to be a positive. Sorry. See,
what are we learning?
we're learning. This is a harder level of factoring, is what this is. Yeah, Mel, where I messed up here is this is an 11, so I should have put positive 11 here. So, but now this makes sense. Sorry, 3x times x is 3x squared. Okay, so now your final answer is just to take these two things, okay, which is now going to be 3x plus 11 times x minus 1. I know, it sounds like boring. Yeah, that's it.
This is why math is complicated, but boring at the same time.
Yeah, I mean,
I'm not sure if I'm even getting this.
Yeah, well, this stuff is going to be harder, Sora. This stuff involves some stuff that I don't think you've done yet.
You'll learn this on 8th grade. For sure.
Yeah. You're able to. I'm glad, Sora, that you're able to pick out the what multiplies to this and what adds to this. But then the factoring part requires a little bit of a little bit more previous things that you haven't learned yet to know how to to pull things out, basically. But okay, so let's see. So Mel, so this is the answer then for for 17, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Here, let's skip ahead. Let's try another one. Try 19 here real quick.
What face?
Yo, actually, I need to go.
Oh,
I'll
okay.
watch this.
Okay, all good. All good. Maybe maybe I can teach you actually. So wait, you saw how to do that last one though, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And when's your homework for this due?
And like tomorrow or I think it's tomorrow. I will check when I get home.
Okay.
But when nobody like have the students to turn it in, she'll give us another week.
Okay. All right. Well, here I want you hopefully from that first one you can see how to do the rest of the other ones. If not, just let me know in the Discord, and I can give you some one-on-one help just to run through this real quick. Cool. All right, cool.
Yeah, cool.
Thanks for tuning in, Mellow Dude, and Sora. Let's go over the lightning round questions, dude.
Oh, it's on. Peace out.
Peace.
So, Gio, you know about the animal and plant cells, right?
The what?
The plant and animal cells, right?
Oh yeah, you need to learn about plant and animal cells. Yeah. What's up?
I think I learned that in 5th grade. I forgot.
Okay. What's
Because I remember burying it. A plant cell have Play-Doh.
Play? You made a cell out of Play-Doh? Is that what happened?
Yes, it was for a project.
Oh
It
my
was
god.
hard.
So wait, what are you doing today? What are you doing in your biology class right now? Or I guess it's science class, right?
I didn't have any classes today. All I had was homeroom.
Well, I mean, what have you done this week?
Hello?
You don't know?
What?
I said what have you done this week in class?
Okay, I gotta check.
You gotta check. All right. Because you said earlier you need some help with like plant and animal cells, right?
Honestly, it's just that.
It's just that?
Yeah.
All right, let's see. Oh, my webcam works again. Jesus. Logitech, come on.
Someone leave.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Me and Al Prince are going to go biking soon, so he's going to come pick me up.
Wah.
Yeah, there you go. All right, here's a good question, Sor. What's the difference between a plant and an animal cell?
One has more things than the other.
I would say more things. They all have they have a lot of things, right? There are a lot of things in all the cells.
One has less, one has more.
Okay. Oh, here's a good thing. I'm gonna draw like two cells. You tell me which one's a plant cell, which one's an animal cell.
So the animal cell is round. The plant cell is like a rectangle.
Good. Very good. Okay, cool. Yeah.
know
So
that one.
this is an animal cell. It's a plant cell. Why is a plant cell so like rigid and looks like a rectangle?
I don't know.
So plant cells
So big.
plants cells have what's called a cell wall.
So
This has no cell wall. A cell wall is like it's like one of those like deployable covers, that you use in Warzone and stuff.
it's just a wall, basically.
It's a very firm, it's a very very strong piece of material that keeps the cell in one shape.
So it's basically like the dam. The
Yeah.
wall for dams.
Yeah. It's like a dam is what it does. Yeah. Whereas an animal cell is like more squishy. You can move it around and whatnot. The reason why plant cells, in part, need to be so firm and so rigid and have cell walls is because that's what keeps a plant like together. That's what keeps it like standing up. Yeah.
Just keep it alive.
Yeah. Animal cells we're kind of like squishy things.
No, I can't believe Gio.
What's up?
We were monkeys.
We were all at one point. We were all monkeys. Yeah. Millions of years ago, though, dude. That's evolution.
So
is a very long time ago.
how's the monkey? So the monkeys at zoos, right? Are they human too?
No. So okay. So if you want to know where that comes from, that's evolution. Monkeys.
Oh.
Monkeys are an offshoot of an animal that did not develop into a human. So here, let's see. Do I have? Where's
Man, monkeys are way too smart, man.
They are, aren't they? Here, let's.
Even how to peel bananas.
Let's see if this is running. me turn this preview off. So we
You're
have.
on your computer right now.
Yeah, let's do monkey evolution. That's what I'm doing.
How come you don't stream on your gaming PC?
I probably will soon eventually, but you know. I hear this is a cool picture. I like this.
Monkey to mankind.
All right, so this is like evolution, okay? So
I see. Did a second last.
yeah, so
did a
60 million years ago, we have what was called like the first like ancestral primate, okay?
Mm-hmm.
And what happened is as time goes on, you have like certain events that cause animals to quickly start changing. So an example could be, let's say you're on a piece of land, and then suddenly there's an earthquake, right? That causes your piece of land to now become an island. Okay. So yeah, right. Say like you're like, oh shit, now I'm stuck on an island, and
I know, right? Tell me about it.
there's not as much food around. There's not as many things to get and whatnot. So I'm gonna want to be someone who's smaller. I don't want to be a bigger person because that means I would need more food to stay alive and whatnot.
If you were stuck on an island, what's the first thing you do?
I think I'd make a fire, right? That's always the first thing.
I'll build shelter.
Or shelter. Shelter's a good one too. But anyways,
And I'll continue.
where this comes from, Sora, yeah, is that so? What would happen is the children of people on an island would end up being smaller and smaller, because that would be more favorable for their survival. Like they would be more likely to survive if they were smaller on an island, because
Okay, if
they
you're
would need
on
less
an
food.
island, basically the smaller you are, the better it is.
Exactly, good. And this is actually, do you know what they call that? If you know the better it is, there's a name for that.
What do you think?
Fitness. Fitness is what they call it. Okay. So
Isn't that just like a gym? Like freaking Planet Fitness?
it literally comes from like, it's the same term. Like, you know, if someone's fit, right? They got like the big muscles, or they got the biceps, or you know, they're strong, right? But
Yeah.
in evolutionary terms, fitness means that you are best adapted to the environment that you're in. So, for instance, if you're on an island, you're a smaller person because, you know, being a smaller person does better for you. Let's say you're in a place with a ton of trees and all the food is in the trees. What would be a better fitness? To be taller or to be shorter?
Taller.
Taller, right? Yeah, good. So
Trees.
that's an example where, like, yes, evolutionary fitness for or like an advantage for someone who lives where all the food's in the trees is to be tall. And so that's why evolution, for instance, if you looked at a species that was in an area where suddenly all the food was gone from the ground and it was only in the trees, then that species, its children that were more likely to survive would be ones that were taller. And so as a whole, the species would evolve to become taller.
So when you were a child, did you ever climb a tree?
No, I'm actually really scared of heights, honestly. I really don't like heights. So I
I
don't
climb
really...
a tree, but I wouldn't go anywhere else with that.
Yeah. Well, you know, there are some... This is actually pretty cool here, because look at monkeys, for instance. You see how monkeys got these super long, like, arms and legs, and they're able to, like, hang and stuff and whatnot?
How about the other one, the two down, the two up with it?
This one?
The two arms.
The gibbon?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another one. Yeah, they got really long arms and stuff. So these animals, these monkeys, these gibbons and whatnot, they evolved to become the way they are because they like being in the trees a lot. Humans, right? Our arms don't do this, right? Our arms and legs can't. We can't use our arms and legs to climb trees like that, right?
Except for Tarzan.
Tarzan, right? Yeah. Well, that's it's a movie and whatnot. But yeah, so the reason why we have the arms the way we do is because we don't need them to be climbing trees and whatnot, because we evolved to do most of the things on the ground. Like we hunt on the ground. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Isn't it the Orangutans? I don't know, the one after that one. Isn't that one the smart one?
Yeah, orangutans are supposed to be really smart. Yeah, we make tools too. Yeah, Michael's right. Yeah. We value more of our. We put more resources into our brain and into our legs and whatnot to do stuff on the ground because that's what works for us, and that's why humans are the way they are. Look at gorillas, for instance. Gorillas don't really spend much time in the trees, right? Or at least they don't jump from tree to tree as much as, say, for instance, a monkey does. But gorillas are they have these massive arms, They're very
Get punched by them.
exactly, right? Yeah, they're like King Kong and whatnot. They evolved the way they are because that's just what works for them. In whatever environment and whatnot.
Wait, have I seen a gorilla before? Have you, Jill?
I have. Yeah, I've seen them at the zoo and whatnot. They're pretty cool. But so when you say that we used to be monkeys, we didn't actually used to be monkeys, but us and monkeys at some point, right here we have like the monkeys, right?
Wait, I thought sloths came from the monkey breed. What the heck?
The what?
Sloths came from the breed of monkeys.
I don't know where actually. That's a good question. Where sloths come? Michael's asking, were you there when we saw the elephants at the zoo? I don't know actually. We went to so many times to that natural museum of whatever science. I forget. And maybe this is when we were in different classes, so we went on different field trip days. But I don't particularly remember. I always remember I just didn't have enough money to buy anything from the gift shop.
Man, if I go on a field trip, I'd be asking my mom for like $5 or $10.
Yeah, I would too. I'd always ask my mom for money, but like I had so many sisters that we didn't really get much money to go buy stuff at the gift store.
Joe, don't worry, I know.
Yeah. Sore knows what's up, dude. Sore has a lot of siblings. You know what's up. Yeah, it's like you didn't even ask your mom for money for the rock candy or something. She's like, "What are you doing?"
Yeah.
So we, us and monkeys were from the same species or something around what it looks like 35 million years ago. So that's a very long time.
Why is our universe called the Milky Way?
The Milky Way. Oh, okay, that's a cool one. Yeah, why is it called the Milky Way actually?
I want a Milky Way now. I don't want to go to.
You want a Milky Way bar?
Yeah, I was gonna go to the store. It's like 3 blocks down.
We can look at a picture of the Milky Way. Yeah, this is pretty cool. Wow.
Oh, you search it up? I thought you'd get a candy bar.
Oh. This is very cool. You can actually see the Milky Way. Like just with your eyes. It does look something like this. The issue is that in everywhere around here is that there's a lot of light pollution, which means that where is this going?
Okay, I see it. It's the world is split in half.
Yeah. Yeah, you
one,
see?
One has better quality, one doesn't.
Yeah.
The trees wins, the mountain loses.
Ah! Yeah, well, this is just the way that the picture is seen and whatnot. But yeah, that's where the Milky Way comes from too.
I thought when you search it up, I thought you got a ton of candy bars, but I guess not.
Yeah. All right, nice.
No, I can't believe.
Yeah.
Dean 2 didn't know that Doritos had a purple bag.
The what had a purple bag?
Doritos.
Who are the reader? Oh, Doritos. Oh, that there's purple Doritos?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, he didn't even know.
Ha! That's too funny.
Yeah. When he was streaming yesterday, no, I did to him because he was winning too much.
What'd you do?
It was like around 11 in the morning. I sent it to you.
Oh, you sent it to me
I just sent him that.
Oh, let me check it. Oh, that's too funny. Go to bed. Yeah, he was up pretty late. All right. Sorry, I gotta run to go on a bike ride. But was this helpful? Did you learn some things?
Yeah.
Nice, dude. Yeah. So yeah, come on. I guess on Friday we'll do I want to go over the bond lightning questions that we did. So that people understand how to do them. And
I see questions.
Yeah, when we did these Dave and I came up with this thing during the intermission, in between the games. We would ask
Yes.
quick little math questions, and people would get points. That's why Comrade Fatman Dude got so many points, because he got a lot of them right.
Question.
Yeah.
Did you not post it in the Braha in the thing though?
In the Bond Brawl. I should.
Did you post them?
I should. Yeah, no. I'll post. Well, we'll go over them on Friday, and I'll post a link to them in the Bond Brawl chat so that people can see them.
Yeah. Well, trying to play some games on Friday.
Yeah, we can play lots of games on Friday. All right, everyone.
Shoot, you're not busy for once.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. All right, that'll be it for the stream. Good to see you guys. Sora, I'll connect with you. Let's play tomorrow during lunch or something. Cool.
Okay. I'll wait. Yeah, I got some time. You
All
should
right.
get some channel points though.
I will. Oh yeah, we'll get some points. You'll get some bomb points for this too.
I.
All right.
Peace,
Peace, guys.